Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app naka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, kniyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli, ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila ban let puli, da ka education loan, pila ban chukol ha number, kandai nyo, saw, san rio pranon, lani kandai pran rio laisan, an riway kandai pra.
La prabanai tam nadu bak sorkar Asam kalatung ya kenhun toket hendai hadu menta ompadan satya watang Uwei ru sakhi nagajala Meghalaya uban lej Hakhmat chaka inquiry commission ban ai sakhi hakabaidei bak jingsin lej kuli jong kipulet ke jala Assam hakasnong Mukroh West Janda Hills district kabalaja haka arpu artarik nai wiang arajar arpu ar kabalawan ra ka jingyap jong hindrungut kibreo ka chairperson jong commission ka justice Rumi Kumari Pukan kabalang ru kanong bisha balasong thait jong yeng bisha Guwahati High Court hakajinga kerentang ba kakenhun lung kubol jong kabati CTV kalai thu ba wat hadien balapen mi ya jing prem dapat ba ling ba kilat pathai kubor hakasau tarik nailar alja apulai hendai omdan satya watang Uwei ru uban lei mi Hakhmat kini commission kabalabu ha Assam House hadan kiti Shillong ka justice Pukan kalai thu bakala am hadu po chiteng sngi panchim yiginong sakhi nagajala Meghalaya hendai ka basusi galong ba omdan satya watang Uwei ru usakhi banwan mi Hakhmat ka commission kalai thuru bagala shimi garai ban pindap no ya jingshong bishar bat ban pha ya kai phot tang ya sakhi sabut baladap yo alum da ka commission kumban chipkan ma hangni hendrungut kibriu klaya ba jingsin lai kuli jong kipulet ke jala Assam hakasnong Mukroh haka arpu ar tarik nai wiang arja arpu ar haka basan ngut gide na jala Meghalaya bat Uwei pat ulei pulet pahara khlau jong ka sarkar Assam.
This today was fixed for hearing from Meghalaya side because one man commission is going on in Guwahati. And I'm conducting the commission. So our part of evidence is over. That's why we decided to hear the other part, that is the Meghalaya part, so that we can conclude logically something here. But today, though it was a notified day for hearing from the other side, Meghalaya side, we have duly informed them through district administration, DC, Jingjia Hills, then again secretary to the government, so that any interested persons, witnesses, those who have personal knowledge of the matter can appear before the commission at Assam House Meghalaya and can give evidence. But to my utter surprise, despite this wide circulation of notification as well as public notice through paper publication in Ceylon Times on 4th, perhaps 4th August, but nobody turned up before this commission, and we waited till afternoon, and ultimately we had to wind up the hearing from Meghalaya side, and I decided to conclude the hearing, and we have to give the judgment on the basis of the evidence whatever has been collected in the course of commission in Guwahati. So this was perhaps you know that it is related to the Mukroh incident that on 22/11/22, and in our part we have recorded so many witnesses, those who attended the duty on the day of occurrence, and also collected the evidence, documented evidence as well. So our part is already over. So we waited for response from the Meghalaya side. We directed the Meghalaya government to produce 11 documents because all those evidence and documents are not available before the commission we have contacted. Although here there is a commission from Meghalaya side also, that commission has recorded the evidence of our party in Assam, those who are on duty on that particular day, they are police personnel, forest personnel, are so many persons from their side, and they have responded properly to the notice given by the commission. But in case of our commission, we have no particular address of those witnesses except some surname, etc. So we have directed the district administration to procure the attendance of those witnesses, if feasible, to before this commission. But to utter dismay, nobody appeared before the court, nor before this commission, nor any report, nothing sought. So today is the first and last day in Meghalaya. That must. So actually, in our part, we have the last occasion also it was going to be wind up because the investigating officer has not produced the case diary. We have given the date next week, perhaps 22nd August, for evidence of IO. He is to produce the case diary about the investigation, whatever he have conducted, whatever the evidence he has collected. Then we, on the basis of that evidence of IO and other evidence available on record, will deliver our judgment shortly. They could have at least intimated something about document process, but nothing happened. Actually, this is the last chance. Earlier on several occasions we have written to the government. Not a single response. So ultimately I decided, prior to finishing my commission, I should hear the people from this Meghalaya side also and give the last opportunity to produce document and evidence, etc., whatever may be. So there will be no more hearing because it will be again futile exercise perhaps. No hearing. Okay. We went there only to see the site, only for visualize the site, nothing for, because we cannot take hearing at the public place. No? That is why we decided to have a proper place to hearing so that every person can appear. So actually we hearing took place at the inspection bungalow, that the irrigation department, and it was managed by DC there for hearing or etc. And we conducted most of the hearing that there. Thereafter, we decided to take the remaining portion of evidence in Guwahati, in the commission office. So major portion was perhaps in Karbi Anglong. Then we shifted to this office. There is an office in the Guwahati itself. Villages I have not made because we have invited the people to appear before the commission, not on the road. So you talking here and there with the people will not serve any purpose unless we hear properly. You know it. That is why we have not interacted with the people on the day only, on the day while I visited the place, because it was only for visit of the place, because so many people may say so many things which cannot be properly recorded and properly adhered to. So we decided to have proper hearing of all the issues properly through procedure before the commission office that was at that time arranged at inspection bungalow. We invited all the people, but we had given wide publication of notice in Assam and then informed the Meghalaya government so that anybody can appear before the commission at Guwahati. When they desired, we can come here earlier also to record evidence. Plus, as there was no certain response from this side, so we decided as a last course of action, we come here. 3 or 55, that must be there. Apart from this documentary evidence, some documentary evidence also there.